Today, we're exploring a lineup of game-changing tools designed to take your craftsmanship to the next level. Get ready to discover the must-have innovations that every creator needs. Let's talk about a super handy drilling aid, the Wolfcraft AccuMobile Mobile Support. This compact tool ensures precise vertical drilling on almost any surface, whether it's smooth walls, round pipes, or sharp edges. Its rubberized base keeps it firmly in place, preventing slipping during use. A special V-groove design helps center round objects for accurate drilling. The AccuMobile includes 5 metal guide sleeves in different sizes, 4 to 10 millimeters, ensuring perfect vertical alignment and keeping the drill bit steady. Plus, its compact and portable design makes it perfect for working in tight spaces. The 2BX pipe cutter is a top-tier tool, highly favored by craftsmen around the world. Built from high-quality materials, it has been rigorously tested to guarantee durability and top-notch performance in real-world conditions. Whether you're in a workshop, at home, or on a job site, this versatile cutter meets professional standards, making it a must-have for any toolkit. The Makita cordless polisher offers the ultimate convenience with its wireless design, allowing you to work freely without power outlets or tangled cords. It features 2 operating modes, random orbit with forced rotation and free rotation, giving you the flexibility to choose the best setting for your job. With 2 power modes, high and low, it delivers corded level performance for heavy-duty surface correction, while extending battery life for longer polishing sessions. Powered by a brushless motor, it enhances efficiency and durability by eliminating carbon brushes. Plus, the variable speed control lets you fine-tune the speed to match your specific task. This coupler and plug kit is designed to enhance efficiency and streamline your work. Its standout feature is its high-performance airflow, delivering twice the air supply of standard couplings for faster and more effective tool operation. The push-to-connect system makes hose attachment quick and effortless. Just push and you're set. With a maximum pressure capacity of 3,100 pounds per square inch, it ensures reliable and safe performance. Its universal body size makes it compatible with most pneumatic tools, while the sleek design adds a professional and polished touch to your setup. These cable cutters are designed to slice through aluminum, copper, and communication cables with ease. Their durable, high-strength hardened steel blades ensure smooth, precise cuts in a single motion for a clean finish. The sharpened beveled tips enhance blade longevity, providing excellent wear resistance. With a lever-enhanced ergonomic design, these shears deliver powerful cutting force, handling aluminum cables up to 4 AWG, copper cables up to 2 AWG, and multi-core communication cables up to 100 pairs of 24 AWG. A must-have tool for electricians, installers, and communication professionals. The Knipex Cobra XS pliers are among the most compact in the world, yet they deliver full-scale performance. Their standout feature is an adjustable grip that securely holds pipes and nuts up to 1 inch in diameter, despite their small size. The box-jointed construction ensures exceptional stability and durability. Designed for convenience, they feature a quick width adjustment mechanism for easy one-handed operation. The hardened, serrated jaws provide a firm, slip-free grip, while the slim, ergonomic design allows for precise work in tight spaces. Ideal for locksmiths, plumbers, and repair professionals, these pliers are a must-have for any toolkit. The Smith CKK 2-step knife sharpener is a compact and portable tool, perfect for outdoor activities like fishing, hunting, or camping. Its key feature is a 2-stage sharpening system with coarse and fine slots. The tungsten carbide blades in the first slot restore a dull knife in just a few strokes, while the ceramic rods in the second slot refine the edge to a razor-sharp finish. Compatible with all types of knives, it's especially useful for filleting fish. Its lightweight pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or toolbox, and a built-in hanging hole allows attachment to keys or a bag. Sturdy rubber feet provide stability, preventing slipping during use, and it cleans easily with a damp cloth. Wolfcraft edge clamps make working with various materials, from wood to metal, easier and more precise. With a 24mm clamping range and a maximum force of 30 kilograms, they securely hold delicate parts in place. These clamps are compatible with nearly all types, including single-handed and screw clamps. Their compact and lightweight design makes them perfect for working in tight spaces. If you need a reliable solution for edge and trim work, these clamps are a great choice. The Wera Tools. Joker L Wrench is a practical and versatile tool featuring an adjustable size range of 16 to 19 millimeters. Its standout feature is the flexible size adjustment system, allowing you to quickly adapt to different fasteners without needing multiple wrenches. Designed for efficiency, it saves time and simplifies your work. Built with high-quality materials, it offers durability, comfort, and safety during use. Whether for repairs or installations, the Joker L is a reliable and convenient choice for any toolkit. The DeWalt DW0150 Stud Finder is a compact and efficient tool, essential for detecting wooden and metal studs in walls. Its standout feature is Center Find technology, which quickly pinpoints the exact center of a stud for accurate marking, perfect for installing shelves, picture frames, or fixtures. It can detect studs up to 1.5 inches deep and also identifies hidden electrical wiring, adding an extra layer of safety. Designed for ease of use, it features a slim, ergonomic body, a built-in marking channel, and automatic calibration for a hassle-free experience. Visual and audible indicators provide instant feedback, and it runs on efficient AAA batteries, making it a reliable and practical tool for any construction or repair task. The multi-bit ratchet screwdriver is a versatile tool that combines 6 functions in one compact design. It includes 2 Phillips and 2 flathead tips, along with 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch nut drivers, making it suitable for various tasks. Its ratcheting mechanism allows for smooth, continuous turning without the need to constantly reposition the tool. Just twist the handle to tighten or loosen screws effortlessly. The ergonomic handle features a soft, non-slip grip for comfort and reduced hand fatigue. With its compact size and short handle, this screwdriver is perfect for working in tight spaces, such as inside electronic devices or behind fixtures. The Wolfcraft Contour Gauge is a highly precise and easy-to-use tool designed for accurately transferring angles and contours. It's especially useful for tasks like laying laminate around heating pipes or working with curved surfaces. The gauge features a clamping lever that locks the contour in place, ensuring accuracy by preventing any movement. Made from durable yet lightweight plastic, it is built to last. With a maximum contour width of 130 millimeters and a depth of 30 millimeters, this tool is versatile enough to handle a variety of shapes and surfaces with ease. The pocket crimper is an essential tool for professionals working with PEX pipes, offering versatility by accommodating all 3 standard pipe sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Its compact design makes it easy to store and carry, fitting conveniently into any toolbox. Additionally, it includes a storage case and an inspection gauge, ensuring both ease of use and accuracy when crimping connections. The toilet auger is a highly effective tool for clearing clogs in toilets and sewer pipes, making it a must-have for both professionals and homeowners. It features a 6-foot cable with a curved tip, allowing it to navigate pipes safely without damaging the porcelain. The swivel head ensures smooth maneuverability, even through T-shaped pipes, while the durable 3/8 inch steel wire provides strength and reliability. Additionally, the drop-down head effectively grips and removes blockages, and the plastic curved nozzle offers extra protection for porcelain surfaces, preventing scratches or damage. The Sola X Pro Spirit Level is a high-quality construction tool designed for precision and durability. Made from strong aluminum, it offers rigid stability while resisting drops and impacts. Its standout feature is the Focus Vials, which provides 60% magnification for better visibility, even in low-light conditions, thanks to their luminescent backing. The vial fluid is fade-resistant and maintains bubble-free accuracy under extreme conditions. Additionally, shock-absorbing, non-slip rubber end caps enhance durability and grip, making it a reliable choice for professionals. The roll groover is an essential tool for efficiently creating standard grooves in pipes. Highly versatile, it works with steel and stainless steel pipes ranging from 1 to 12 inches in diameter and copper pipes between 2 and 6 inches. This wide compatibility makes it invaluable for construction, installation, and maintenance companies. Built with durable metal construction, it features a hydraulic pressure system that ensures precise and consistent grooves. The knurling depth is adjustable, allowing for a perfect 90-degree burr-free pipe end. The set includes multiple rollers in different sizes and a tool for easy roller replacement, making it a reliable, efficient, and time-saving solution for professionals. The broadcast spreader is a compact and efficient tool designed for maintaining small lawns with precision. Its standout feature is Scott's EdgeGuard technology, which ensures that fertilizer, seeds, or chemicals stay on the lawn and away from paths, flower beds, or other unwanted areas, preventing contamination. Ready to use right out of the box, this spreader comes pre-assembled and pre-calibrated, saving time and effort. Its foldable handle makes storage easy, even in small spaces. With an advanced hopper and agitator mechanism, it delivers consistent material flow and even distribution, making the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini a reliable and convenient choice for lawn care. The Hilti 3544588 BX3 is a high-performance direct fastening tool designed for fast and reliable construction and renovation work. It delivers exceptional power and precision, making it ideal for fastening into concrete, steel, and brick with ease. One of its standout features is its intelligent design and advanced technology, allowing for quick and efficient fastening while reducing effort. The built-in battery and charger provide cordless convenience, enabling operation in any environment without relying on a power outlet. Known for its superior craftsmanship and durability, the Hilti BX3 is a top choice for professionals who need speed, reliability, and performance in their fastening tasks. The Wiese Pro Cutting Shears are high-quality, durable tools designed for precision and longevity. Manufactured by a trusted brand, these shears offer exceptional reliability for various cutting tasks. Crafted from titanium, they are highly resistant to corrosion and maintain a sharp edge for extended use. A major advantage of their titanium construction is their lightweight design, making them more comfortable to handle compared to traditional steel shears. The ergonomic non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, enhancing control and ease of use. These shears are also highly versatile, capable of cutting through a range of metals, including steel, aluminum, and copper, making them an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The staircase platform is a versatile and secure solution for working on steps, enhancing both safety and efficiency. Its sturdy aluminum frame features a non-slip surface for a firm grip, while padded supports ensure stable positioning. With a 330-pound weight capacity, it's ideal for a variety of tasks. A standout feature is its adjustable height, thanks to telescoping supports and quick lock legs, allowing for easy customization. The built-in bubble level helps maintain perfect alignment, ensuring safe and level use. For added convenience, the platform folds compactly to just 2.4 inches in depth, making storage and transport effortless. Carrying handles further enhance portability. Designed to fit most straight and spiral ladders, it features a double locking mechanism for maximum stability, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Craig PRS 3400 setup bars are an essential tool for precise adjustments on your milling or router table. This set of 7 durable metal rulers features clear markings and a 3-sided design, allowing for accurate measurement of key parameters like milling depth, cutter height, and blade protrusion. One edge of each ruler has a concave profile, making it easy to check the router blade's protrusion above the table, ensuring precise cuts every time. These versatile rulers help you fine-tune your setup efficiently, improving the accuracy and quality of your work while saving time and effort. The BlindMark Drywall Electrical Box Locator is a game changer for installing electrical boxes quickly and accurately. This compact and efficient tool eliminates the need for complex measurements or precise markings when cutting drywall. Simply place the magnetic markers at the box locations, and the tool's powerful magnets will guide you to the exact spot for cutting. By ensuring perfect alignment, the BlindMark saves time, reduces errors, and helps prevent costly mistakes, making it an essential tool for electricians and DIYers alike. FlexCut carving tools are a must-have for detailed wood carving, especially when working on miniature designs and fine details. This set includes 5 micro tools, each just 3 mm wide, making them ideal for refining corners, smoothing surfaces, and adding intricate details after using larger chisels. Their compact size allows for precision work in tight spaces, ensuring flawless craftsmanship. Crafted from high-carbon steel, these blades come razor-sharp straight out of the package, allowing you to effortlessly carve even the smallest details with ease. Tubing cutters are compact and highly maneuverable, designed for precise cutting of copper, brass, and aluminum tubing, ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 1/8 inches in diameter. Its biggest advantage is its ability to work in tight spaces where traditional tools may struggle. The two-piece design allows for standalone use or attachment to a ratchet handle for added convenience. With an ergonomic grip and high-quality steel construction, this cutter ensures precise, effortless cuts while offering long-lasting durability. Plus, the spare cutting disc stored in the handle ensures you're always prepared. The Dust Shroud Kit is designed for angle grinders, improving both comfort and efficiency while reducing airborne dust. Its universal dust cover fits most 4.5 to 5-inch angle grinders, creating a cleaner, safer work environment. The kit also includes 2 high-quality 5-inch diamond grinding wheels, perfect for grinding concrete, marble, tile, and granite with speed and precision. To further enhance dust control, the set comes with a universal vacuum adapter, allowing for effective dust extraction during grinding. The Bicycle Maintenance Tool Kit is a versatile set designed for various repair and maintenance tasks on bikes. At its core is the Content Bit Socket, which comes with a range of interchangeable bits in different sizes and profiles, making it compatible with most bike fasteners. Whether you're adjusting derailleurs, replacing brake pads, or servicing bearings, this compact kit has everything you need, eliminating the need for a bulky toolbox. Made from durable, high-quality materials, this kit ensures long-lasting performance and makes bike repairs quick and easy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.